We are all given a unique set of abilities that allow us to create amazing opportunities in life. While most of us do a good job at utilizing these abilities, some people do so well that they become millionaires without any inheritance or trust funds. These so-called self-made millionaires start from scratch and make their way to the top, but they don't do it overnight. So how do they do it? Well, these individuals make sure they master the basic money skills, such as budgeting, saving and investing first, then start to work on their million-dollar plan. All of the things they do are quite simple and anyone can implement them. This list of 5 money laws only rich people know will explain what you need to incorporate into your life to achieve financial freedom. But before we get to that, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. You should avoid debt. Yes, this may seem a bit too obvious, but maintaining a stable income will definitely help your financial plans. One of the first things self-made millionaires did when they started working on their master plan was to make sure they reduce or even eliminate any debt. To build wealth, you can't afford to waste money on paying interest on credit cards or car loans. You need to be careful what you charge to your credit cards, and always avoid store credit cards as they are known for low credit limits and high interest rates. Buy cars to keep them. Did you know that cars depreciate in value the moment you drive them off the lot? That's why self-made millionaires plan to keep the cars for a long time after they buy them. That's right, they don't lease the cars, they buy them and hold on to them for a while. When you buy a car and keep it, you can use the time until the next purchase to save the money that would otherwise be spent on a monthly payment. However, if you need to finance the car, make sure you pay it off as soon as possible and keep it for a long time so you can save money instead of replacing it with a new car every once in a while. You should have an emergency fund. A survey conducted by the Federal Reserve Board showed that 47% of Americans would be in debt if an emergency higher than $400 came up. That's why a solid reserve of cash that you can dip into for emergencies can go a long way. Most people charge unexpected expenses to their credit card, which usually comes with high interest, instead of dipping into an emergency fund. The goal is to set aside at least a couple of months' worth of your monthly expenses. That way you are prepared for any rainy days, any unexpected expenses, and most importantly, you will borrow the money from yourself. Also, any amount of cash you set aside is a step closer towards financial stability. You should save and invest money. When you start building an emergency fund, you need to have organized investment plans. These can include stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds. You can also set up an automatic money transfer from your checking account into an investment account. This can be done once or even twice a month. The automatic transfer will not only help you not forget to invest manually, but you will have to learn to live with the funds that are left after that. There is an unwritten rule that you should set aside at least 20% of your income every month. This 20% should go into your savings, emergency fund, investment, etc. The amount you set aside depends on your income, but learning to live without the 20% is an excellent way to start saving and investing. Don't be afraid to seek advice. You'd be surprised to learn that a lot of people don't even have the basic understanding of their earnings, the things they own, and how much it costs to invest. That is also the reason why they are afraid of saving and investing money. Fortunately, we live in an era where information is shared for free. There are tons of resources that can help guide you, and you can do all of it without even leaving your house. You can also hire a financial advisor to teach you a thing or two about saving and investing. But most importantly, you should never hesitate to seek advice. It is important to embrace any opportunity that will help you pay off your debts and start working on a long-term plan that will push you towards financial freedom. You already possess the abilities. All you need is some discipline. What about you? Do you have a long-term plan that will help you achieve financial freedom? If you do, let us know in the comment section below. Or don't.